we are presenting our smart ultrasonic humidifier. Featuring an advanced resistive-based built-in RH controller, designed to precisely monitor and maintain atmospheric humidity levels with accuracy. Equipped with a continuous voltage monitoring system, ensuring safe, stable operation and protection against power fluctuations. A simple on-off switch for quick and effortless power control with a single toggle. Designed with a 3-pin industrial-grade socket for easy plug-and-play setup and smooth, hassle-free operation. Comes with a standard 6 AMP, 3-pin input plug, reliable, safe, and compatible with most power sources. Supports a standard 1/4-inch RO pipe for easy and convenient water supply to the machine. An integrated overflow port efficiently diverts excess water, maintaining optimal levels and preventing spills. Fitted with a drainage valve to safely release water from the machine, supporting proper handling and maintenance. A built-in humidity sensor accurately detects moisture levels, allowing precise control and adjustment. An efficient inlet fan draws in atmospheric air to keep the system running smoothly and effectively.